Howdy, partner. Town Sheriff here, laying down the law on the 15-minute frontier of E-mini S&P 500 futures. In these parts, it's best to be ready for opportunity and keep your stops planted firm. Here's the rundown. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels or ranges. Value. Area high, VAH, 7,704. The ridge above town. Buyers need acceptance above here before they can ride back toward the session highs. Value. Area low, vol, 7,695. The saloon floorboards are creaking here. Losing this level puts the morning rally structure in jeopardy. Point of control, POC, 7,700. The busiest trading post in the 5-hour auction. Current price, 7,696. Sitting just above VAL after retreating sharply from the 7,714 high. EMA/VWAP, 7,693/7,692. Important underlying support. Buyers still have a small technical foothold despite weakening order flow pressure. Primary buy zone, 7,692 to 7,695. VWAP, EMA, 5-hour low and VAL converge here. Secondary buy zone, 7,689 to 7,691. Breakdown extension support if the current floor fails. Sell/resistance zone, 7,700 to 7,704. POC through VAH. The first posse of sellers is waiting here. Major resistance, 7,709 to 7,714. Morning swing high territory and the scene of the earlier bullish shootout. Market context. ES staged a strong overnight advance from roughly 7,693 to 7,714, but the rally failed to hold its upper territory. Since 5:45 Eastern Time, price has rotated progressively lower and is now testing the bottom of value. The 9:15 and 9:30 Eastern Time bars produced exceptionally heavy volume, while price remained near the lower portion of their ranges. That makes 7,692 to 7,695 today's immediate battleground. Price remains above EMA/VWAP, so the bulls haven't been run out of town yet, but their horses are already saddled. Bias, neutral to bearish, below 7,700. Bullish again above 7,704. Volume analysis. Cumulative volume. Delta, CVD, breakdown. 5-hour opening, CVD, plus 2,691 contracts. CVD peak, plus 7,762, around 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Current CVD, minus 16,431. Deterioration from peak, approximately minus 24,194 contracts. The biggest warning came during 9:15 to 9:30 Eastern Time. Approximately 45,000 contracts traded across those two bars, while estimated delta deteriorated by roughly 18,000 contracts. Interpretation. Sellers are increasingly aggressive despite price still holding above EMA/VWAP. That's a bearish divergence worth respecting. Somebody just rode into town wearing a black hat. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Entry, 7,600 to $9.02 to 7,695 only. On rejection/reclaim of VAL. Stop loss, 7,689. Targets, 7,000 to 700, 7,000 to 704, then 7,000 to 709. Short trades. Entry, 7,000 to 700 to 7,000 to 704 on rejection, or below 7,692 after failed reclaim. Stop loss, 7,000 to 707 for resistance shorts, 7,697 for breakdown shorts. Targets, 7,000 to 695, 7,000 to 692, then 7,687 to 7,689. Current ATR is approximately 6 points, so overly tight stops risk getting tossed through the saloon doors by ordinary ES noise. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A. VAL holds. Buyers defend 7,692 to 7,695 and reclaim VAL. Long, 7,695 to 7,696. Stop, 7,690. Targets, 7,700 to 7,700. 4 to 7,709. Scenario B. POC/VAH rejection price rallies, but gets ambushed around 7,700 to 7,704, while CVD remains weak. Short, 7,701 to 7,704. Stop, 7,707. Targets, 7,695 to 7,692. Scenario C. Breakdown. Acceptance below, 7,692 confirms sellers have taken the town. Short, below, 7,692 after a failed reclaim. Stop, 7,697. Targets, 7,689 to 7,685. Scenario D. Bullish reversal ES recaptures 7,704, while CVD turns decisively upward. Long, 7,704 to 7,705. Stop, 7,699. Targets, 7,709 to 7,714. Current tactical buys. Favor sellers below 7,700. Stronger bearish confirmation below 7,692. Bullish control returns above 7,704. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.